Hello class, this is Dr. Chadwick. I'll be your instructor for the marketing class in your MBA program. I hope you are all enjoying your last few days of break. Our class formally begins next Wednesday, April the 8th. That's also our first face-to-face class at the Dorsey campus. Now that you've had gained access to all parts of the classroom, do check in to review the course, the assignment instructions, post a self-introduction, and just generally familiarize yourself with the class module. Here are a few quick points before we hit the ground running next week. First, print out and review the syllabus in its entirety. Please go through the various topics under Getting Started. Weekly topics in this course are interlinked, so it's a good idea to have a heads up on what's going to happen in future weeks. Discussion activities constitute almost a third of your final grades. So multiple main topic postings each week with scholarly citations are key to getting superior grades. Do go through the tips for discussion posting very carefully. Please post your main topic posts of the week by Saturday so that there is adequate time for discussions and comments on it. Also, you need to respond to the queries on your posts as well as comment on other posts before the weeks on the posts of others before the week is over. It is absolutely important that you post within the due time. Apart from maintaining a busy course schedule, this is especially important for a classroom-driven seminar like this one. Unlike an individual research paper that can be submitted even after the last due date, discussions have little or no value unless they are seen and commented on by other members of your cohort. My advice to you would be to make the discussion postings, your first main topic post, earlier rather than later in the week. This will take care of personal emergencies that can occur at any time. Discussion activities are normally graded on a bi-weekly basis with the exception of week 1. In other words, weeks 2 and 3, 4 and 5, and 8 and 9 are each scored out of a maximum of 10 points. If you completely miss one of the weeks, then the grades will be awarded out of only half the available marks. For example, if you posted in only week 2 and none at all in week 3, then your starting grade would be at 5 points versus 10. So an exceptional performance in just 1 or 2 weeks is not going to suffice for you to get an acceptable grade over the length of the course. The discussions are set to close immediately after the week is officially over. Postings have to be submitted in the specific discussion area and not anywhere else in the class, for example, the assignment folder or emailed to me. You know how the discussion area works and make sure that all your postings are done there. Posting on multiple topics every week is encouraged and will count towards a good grade. Prolific postings on multiple topics is the key to doing well this semester. Personal application submissions are required every week, from week 1 through week 9. Now, the PA papers will be graded twice, after week 5 and after week 9. However, be sure to submit them each week, as non-submission in any given week can mean prorating and a decrease in your resulting grade. So that's it for now. Just some things to think about as you navigate around the course before we get together. I can answer any further questions when we have our face-to-face next week, and look forward to meeting all of you at the Dorsey campus.